Hi, this is Ajmal the developer and welcome back to HTML tutorial number 10 on iframe syntax. So this is a quite interesting iframe syntax because using this syntax you can actually display a different web page within your web page, and this can be handy when you are trying to refer to a website within your website. This way it shows a small window of that website and the name of that website, and your users can go right ahead and navigate to that website if they prefer. So let's go ahead and demonstrate how it's done. So we're going to open up that same document, and a few things to keep in mind before we start is that like I said, it's HTML iframe is used to display a web page within a web page, and the tag for iframe is the word iframe tag. And there are a few attributes that we need to use in order to achieve that task. First attribute is the URL, the source attribute, and the next attribute is the size, so the width, the height attribute. And we can also take advantage of the border style attribute to show the border or not to show the border, and we can demonstrate that. So why don't we go ahead and get our hands dirty. So the way it's done is you start by opening the iframe tag. So we're going to type iframe, and we need to implement the source element here to basically point out to that website. So source, open quote and close quote, and in between the quotes we can simply find a link from a specific website and refer to that. So in this case we're gonna just go to this website called html.com, and we will just copy the link. So we're gonna copy this link, go back to the document and paste it there. So simple as that. So that takes care of linking to that website. Next up is the height element or height attribute. So height equals, let's say, 200 pixel, and width equals, let's say, 300 pixels. And next we need to style it. It's not necessary, but it definitely makes it look good. So style equals border none, and closed. Actually we need to have the semicolon there. And so we close the iframe tag, and definitely we need to add the closing tag. So simple as that. That's all it takes to create an iframe within your website. So why don't we go ahead and display this in a browser so that you can see how it looks. So we're gonna launch it on Chrome. So that's it. You have your website here, and you can scroll up, down, and to the sideways. Simple as that. So I'm going to show you how it looks without using the style for border, and it looks a little bit off. So I just want to show you the difference. We're going to go back and refresh it. You see, so there's this border that we have here, and when we style it, we eliminate that border so it looks a bit smooth and it kind of blends in with your web page. So let's go ahead and recap. HTML iframe. Iframe is used to display page within page, and the tag is iframe, word iframe tag, and we use two attributes. One, a source attribute to link to the web page that we are embedding within our web page, as well as the size attribute such as height and width, as well as the border style that I showed here. Let's put it again. Style equals border none. So style is optional. You don't need it. You don't need to have it, but it's optional. It makes it look good. So that's that for iframe. Hopefully you learned something, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.